You want to create your own color tool. One of the necessary elements is the alpha bar. You use it if you want to take into consideration transparency into your tool. If you want to create an alpha bar, all you have to do is to use the ttkwidgets library and use the alpha bar component from the color module. First, you have to install the ttkwidgets library. Pip install ttkwidgets. Then you can use the component alpha bar simply by importing alpha bar from ttkwidgets.color. An alpha bar is actually a TK canvas widget. So when you will create it, you can pass to it the arguments that you will pass to a canvas widget. So after importing the alpha bar from the ttkwidgets.color module, you create the alpha bar by specifying the master, the width, the height, the color to use, the alpha value, the transparency, or the variable that you will use to have the transparency. In our case, I use this variable, my var, that will have the value 100. It will take precedence on the alpha value. Here I'm giving also parameters or arguments related to the canvas widget, highlight thickness equal to 2 and a highlight background color. So when I will run the codes, I will have this alpha bar. Now I can change the cursor on the alpha bar. The transparency changes from left to right from 0 to 255. Now we are going to see the functions or the methods associated with the alpha bar. For example, here I'm going to call the alpha bar.get method that will return simply the alpha value. So I created this button that will return the value when we click on it. So get alpha value, it's equal to 100. If I change the cursor position and I click again, it will give me this new value. I will go to the maximum. It will 200. It's 255 and minimum. Now we are using the set method from the alpha bar. I created this entry, then I associated to it this int variable. When I click on this button set alpha value, it will call alpha bar.set and it will recuperate the variable or the value from the entry or the int var variable. So I will test it now. This is the default value, set alpha value 100, it didn't change. If I click 60, it will change to 60. We can see that the cursor is changing its position. I can click again on the get alpha value and I will have the correct value. We are going to see another method. This is the set color method, in which you can provide an RGB value plus alpha value if you wish to also set the transparency. So I created this button that will change the color automatically to green. So here I'm going to name it set color to green. Also, when we created the alpha bar, we specified or we used the color in RGB mode. So if I click on it, it will set the color in green. Get the alpha value, it will be the value I specified here. If I specify 255, change color to green and get alpha value, it will be that value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.